Hello dear students, I am Rajat. The increasing use of information technology is resultant as the increasing way of thinking, living and working. So, I am going to introduce about the curriculum of computer science class 9. It is divided into two parts. One is a theoretical, other one is a practical. That means 30 marks you will get from theory and 70 marks you will get from practical. So, your first unit is a basic of information technology. Information and communication technology, that means when we are sending the information via different mediums, like when we are using the email, we are sending via social networking site and other medium, that is called the information. Basically the information is the form of data, raw data, and when we will process that information, that is called the process information. Okay, so in this way we can say the computer is working on IPO cycle, input, processing and output. In this way, when we are saying the computer is derived from the word compute, which means to calculate, or we can say a computer is an electronic device which is used for performing a specific task by given instruction. That means when we are giving the instruction to the computer, it processes that instruction with the help of processing device, that is CPU, central processing unit, and when it processes, after the processing data, will get the output. So now in this way we can say that there are some characteristics of computer and some limitations of computer. So characteristics means what are the strength of computer by which we are reliable on computer. So first one is the speed, as we know that the speed of computer. Second one is the accuracy, reliability, accessibility. Okay, so these are the basic characteristics of computer. Now the second one is the limitation. Limitation means lack of IQ. That means computer is working on artificial intelligence. It has know their own mind. That means second one is the power consumption. That means computer works on power. If the power breakdown, it will not work. So that means these are the most important limitation of computer. Now we will continue with the basic parts of computer. The first one is the hardware, second one is the software. These are the basic parts of computer. Hardware, which includes the input devices, output devices and software, that is operating system. Now come to the hardware. Hardware is a physical part of computer which we can touch, we can see. But software, that is not a physical part, only we can observe only the processing. Now come to the input devices. There are so many input devices like keyboard, mouse, joystick, OCR, optical character reader, BCR, barcode reader, MICR, magnetic ink character reader, trackball, joystick, light pen. These are the some input devices. Input devices means with the help of these input devices we can work on computer. Now come to the output devices. Output devices are those devices by which we can get output, like monitor, printer, plotter. Monitor, we are getting the output on a screen. Next one is a printer, we are getting output on paper. Third one is a plotter. For large screen, for large pictures, we are using the plotter. And projector also, we can use the projector. Like in our classes, students, we are using the projector, okay, for displaying a picture. So these are the output devices. Now in this category we will come to the software. Now software, basically the part which is we can observe, like software provide the platform. Like the first one is the operating system, it is a system software. The software is already also categorized into a different parts. One is a operating system, that is system software. Other one is a application software. Application software means like some other app softwares which we are not using, but when we are installing in our computer work process easily. So these are the application software, like antivirus software also. Now come to the operating system. Operating system provides a platform of your computer. That means like in your kitchen there is a platform where you are keeping the things. So there are different functions which performed by operating system, like system management, security management, time management, your files management, document management. So these are comes in the category of operating system. These are the functions of operating system. Now next one is the application software. Like, and so application means what are the fields where we are using the computer. Like we can use in bank, railway, schools, research, for museum, for library, for office, for railway, for schools, for hospital, for military, for defense. So these are the different fields where we are using the computer. Now I want to tell about the memory. Computer memory is basically the CPU is called the brain of computer, because inside CPU there is a RAM and ROM, that is the internal memory, and second one is the external. External means like we can use hard disk, pen drive. These are the external memories. So in the internal memories comes RAM, that is random access memory. Second one is a ROM, that is read only memory. Again, RAM is categorized into two parts, static RAM and dynamic RAM. Same way the ROM is categorized as PROM, that is programmable read only memory. Second one is EEPROM, erasable programmable read only memory. Next one is the EEPROM, that means electronic erasable programmable read only memory. Okay, so in this way we can categorize it as RAM and ROM. These are the internal memories. Second one is as external, as already I have discussed, that pen drive, hard disk, which you can use and then you can remove from the CPU. So when I will tell about the internal structure of CPU. CPU is a central processing unit, and when the instructions come, that is in the form of input, it goes to the CPU. CPU process the data. In the CPU there is a memory unit also, then it gives the output, and CPU is connected with the I will show you with the help of the block diagram of computer. Block diagram basically shows how the computer works internally. Okay, so now in this way we can categorize as computer in the two categories. One is according to their principle and another one is according to their performance. So now first one is according to their principle. The computer is categorized into three parts: analog, digital and hybrid computer. And according to their performance, it is a microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computer, supercomputer. Microcomputer basically those computer which we are using in our offices, lab, for the personal use, and supercomputer is a very fast computer which is basically used for weather forecasting. So in this way I want to tell you the introduction of computer. Thank you.